Hi guys, good morning. So we're going to check up this. Here we go. Hindi, no need na. Here we go again dito sa Balubaran. We're going to check up this Samsung because as per client, so wala na raw lamig na nilalabas yung indoor. Well, eventually yung outdoor unit niya wala na nga rin talagang init na binubuga. Ano. So, first things first, we're going to check the amperage, baka bumagsak caused by a leak. Yun lang naman ang una natin pwede natin check kung ganun yung scenario. So, my partner, Amos.
Hi, shout out.
Good morning,
And
Amos.
please subscribe and click the bell button
Yes.
in that button.
Okay. So, Amos gonna check the indoor unit. He's gonna take the thermal gun to measure the temperature, while me over here I'm gonna take the measurement on amperage. Okay, so stand by. Okay guys, as you can see, we got no reading on amperage, so 0.9 only. So I think the compressor's not working. This is only the compressor's not working. Okay guys, as you can see, the access valve on Samsung, they are fitted on the suction valve, not on discharge valve. So some other AC units, the access valve are installed on discharge line, but the Samsung unit, I guess all Samsung units, the access valve are installed on the suction line. So konting info lang, dito nakalagay yung access valve sa suction line. So we should use the compound gauge when measuring the pressure of the AC unit of Samsung. Instead of using the high pressure, we should use the low pressure compound gauge. Okay, our client already start the AC unit. So we're going to measure the pressure. So we're not getting any pressure. Zero. Let's try the other adapter. Oh wait a minute. Wait. Close it out. Just close it. This out. I think we really got no pressure over here.
Basta may halong tubig.
Yeah. May halo.
May halo.
May halong langis.
Dapat yan. Clear. Diba? Oh. Dapat yan. Triyan na just yan. Mix.
So guys, our system have mixed oil. Maybe the compressor is already problematic because usually when we press down the slider valve, we're gonna see only pure refrigerant, but this one it has oil. Okay, and we have ice buildup, indication that we are low in pressure. Now Amos gonna put again the adapter, so that why don't we use the other one, a smaller one, so that you could measure the pressure. Now the compressor is already running. Try nating hinangan, ma'am. Try nating hinangan ulit. Ayan, ay ma'am, may langis dito sa part na to. I guess dito sila nagbanat sa area na to. Ayan, dalawang yan. Kasi yan yung may langis. Then, yung natin kanina, yung ating langis kanina nung pinorge ko, yung linya, may halong langis yung Ihalong langis siya.
Unang train namin, may langis.
Ihalong langis yung linya. Tapos bumagsak uli yung pressure niya, sir. Bumalik siya sa dating pressure niya nung pagpunta namin na zero pressure. Nagra namin ng mga 10 PSI. Bumabagsak uli. So, ito yung nakikita kong problema, yung hinang dito. Baka nag-ano uli. Karoon uli ng... So, kung okay lang sa inyo, try namin hinangan today. Para maano natin. So, sige. Start na tayo. Thank you. Standby. Okay guys, we're going to disconnect this wire of the AC line so that we could do the soldering outside. So this one's ground, this one's neutral, this one's line, and this one's the ground. So we're gonna remove this so that we could pull down the indoor unit. Okay, thank you. Okay, on this segment of the video, we are going to disconnect the AC lines so that we could pull out the indoor unit. So basically, we're just gonna disconnect the 3 wires. Corresponding colors are brown, which is the neutral, blue, which is the line, and green, which is the ground. So yeah, basically we're going to disconnect all 3 wires of that AC line so that we could pull out the indoor unit. Okay guys, keep in mind, always remember, when removing the drain pan, you must unscrew the screw over here. See that? It has a screw over here. So you can remove the drain hose if the screw is still screwed over here. So remove it. Okay? Thank you. Stand by. Okay guys, we're going to remove this flaring. Because we're going to solder the coil. This one problem over here. So we're going to remove this flaring. Stand by.
1 minute, 2 seconds nga lang. Okay, can remove now easily.
Diba? Negative pa?
Not yet. So okay, stand by.
Okay guys, good morning again, and I'm here with me, Abel, a partner again. So we're going to try to masiglis ang hinang, pre.
Soldering.
Gonna solder this indoor unit.
Possible I will remove this one.
No need na. So we have we have exposed
Everything.
We have witnessed leak over here. So we're going to try to solder it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Magsisimula tayo maghinang. Due to this one is we find out that there's something leak in this area. So we proceed to clean it to make a what you say this point?
Focus mo ako. 1 minute lang, pre.
Yan, kita ka na.
Okay guys, after finish soldering the evaporator coils, I will going to return this evaporator into this casing. Okay, here I'm going to return it here. so that we could move on with our reprocess. 1 minute. So ano yung kinakabit mo na yan?
Round.
Yung tatlong wire na yan, para saan yan?
Standby. Ano yung tatlong row nito?
Line 1, line 2.
So line 1 lang sa
Dun yan sa AC. Yung brown, neutral. Yung blue, line 1.
blue,
Line 1.
line 1. Ito neutral.
Oo.
Okay, go. Ito is neutral.
Secure mo lang may pagkakaan.
Dapat nila ko yung hinihingi lang natin.
Ay, hindi naman natin kasi anticipate na mag-ano tayo.
Para ano ba?
So, plies oh. Ano mo ng plies pag kamay?
Suksok lang tayo. Yun, gamit yun.
Oo nga.
Hindi tayo gagamit ng electrical tape.
We have trouble previously, a minute ago, because we're doing vacuum. Then eventually we have busted Schrader valve on the access valve. So we can't get an exact reading on the vacuum and the negative pressure. So we're a little bit confused. So we figure out that the access Schrader valve pala is busted. So we replace the Schrader valve, then we resume the vacuum process. So right now we are doing the vacuum process na. Standby. So guys, we just opened the AC unit. Then we're observing on the pressure. We're having 3.2 ampere. And initial charging of 85. So come a little bit minutes, we're gonna add we're going to add more refrigerant. Let's make it into 120, or we'll just level it with the amperage. If we reach 4.5 ampere, then we'll stop adding refrigerant. So let's just observe now, because the compressor is still working. Yeah, and we're having good moistures now over here. Previously, a minute ago, it's not moisture, it's really build up, ice build up. So now moisture. So I'm going to add more. Okay, I made it to reach on 4.05 ampere, playing 4.02, 4.04, something like that. But this is ideal amperage for to set up, because the rated ampere is 5.0 ampere. So we just make it a point to reach it into 4 ampere, so that it would be balanced, not too much amperage. And then the pressure is something about I'll just set it up on 118, 116, something like that, because the weather today is quite hot. So it is advisable to give it tolerance, not to reach the desired amperage, because it might get hotter because of the weather. We're getting hot ambience already here. Indications of good condensing on the condenser side. And then let me go inside AC unit so that I could get the temperature.
Hindi katulad ng isa yung sa
Samsung ko na ganyan din. Pagbukas mo gano'n, lahat ng lahat nakaano na
Operating. What's the name of the Chinese kidney?
Yeah. The temperature right here now is quite good. We've just set the remote control to 16 degrees Celsius on setting, cool setting, and then okay, let's see. Yeah, 17. It's still accumulating. 17, 18, something like that. So we have to observe a little more, a little longer, so that we could achieve the desired temperature. So now I'm going to get the reading here on the coils. We're getting here 9, 6, 6, 7, yeah, something like that. Indication of good cooling, 12. Then on the other side we're also getting 11, 10, something like that. Yeah, this indication also of good cooling. So we're going to observe a little longer, okay, to finalize this repairment on leakage. So this is now the status of the indoor unit. Okay, we're seeing here, yeah, we're having moistures over here, and then on the side of the soldered part we're having moistures also. Okay, and hopefully we did our best to solder it firmly so that no more leaks could occur over here. I have seen leaks over here a while ago, and this also part leaks over here, but now what we're seeing now is just moisture. I hope so. This is just moisture. Yeah, these are all moistures, and this right part also we're having good moistures over here. So this is indication that I think this AC is already will run good and operational good. So thank you, Lord, for guiding us. Thank you so much. So we will continue observing for at least 1 hour or more. Okay, stand by.